Good morning, guys. Let's check my durian. Yeah. Can you tell me her leaves are getting greener? There. Let's go get closer to her. There she is. I made a support stick so she won't wobble. Hi, Miss Durian. How are you doing today? Oh, you find it single leaf in the bow, the last leaf. That clings to the bow. One moment. So this is what I did. Yeah, I put a paste here. I see a sprout. Wow. Wow. Yeah, see that? I hope she can recover soon. Good morning, guys. It's 6:10 in the morning. Ito yung foliar spray na ginawa ko. Nag-i-spray tayo today para sa dahon ng mga durian.